Okay, sounds good. And then just leave me the key, and it should take about an hour and 30. And I'll try to get the glass out with the vacuum as well. Yeah. Did they steal anything?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, sorry to hear that, man.
I got my wife's purse.
Oh, really?
Her shoes.
Just call you when it's done, okay?
Alright.
Alright, sounds good. Perfect.
Yeah.
It's working good. Should just clip in. Make sure all is good.
I don't know about this though. They did it as well, but
Okay.
if this is some trouble, I'll call you again.
Yeah, no worries, man. You already know who to call.
Yeah, 100 on the cash.
Okay, and the rest on sale? I
Rest.
appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. Hey, nice meeting you, man.
Yeah.